Yo, what's up? Welcome to the crew. This is the Hunter RC Matsuri night number 1. We've got the essentially Friday night drifts happening out here. We've got not the whole crew, but most of the Vic crew up here, fucking ripping lines out there. It's sick, bruz. We've got the boys in there, 7 cars deep, just hooking down the front straight, just blah, 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 throwing these huge entries, man. This Hunter RC track is just mind-blowing, eh? So, enjoy this footage.
Sparks in the night, nitro breath flashing under sodium light. Warehouse rhythm, baseline shifting. South London flex with the RC drifting. Break beat bus, hit a snare, start kicking. Tires chirp chirp, water shell starts flicking. Counter stay king with the trigger hand swift. Feather that throttle, watch the chassis drift. From Yokomo to MST, carbon decks gleam when the spotlights beam. Overdose arms with the purple sheen, and the Tamiya shell look clean. Rewind, select a wheel spin, reload, gyro set, mount, let the back end explode. Toe out front, come a negative deep, way shift left, while the apex creep. Sideways sound, make the tires sing. London to Tokyo, we let it swing. Late night session, concrete crown, micro machines, but we run this town. Slide to the left, now hold it, chill. Trigger discipline, make the body shell lift. Slide to the left, now hold it, chill. Trigger discipline, make the body shell lift. Battery warm, lollipop charge. Boost turn up when the corner's large. Ride high low like a dub plate bass. Scrub that speed but maintain the pace. Hear the click of the quick change dip. CS ratio give the rear more drift. Soft front springs and the rear more stiff. Man like tuna with the golden gift. Shell game strong, wide kit stance. Magnum out make the Lexus dance. Metallic flake when the LEDs blaze. Smoke from the tires in a purple haze. Wheel speed steady, don't panic, snap. Smooth corrections, rat-a-tat-tat. 90s jungle in the transmitter grip. Feeling that flow on the polished slip. Bridge the corner, kiss that wall. Door to door, but we never stall. Tandem train like a pirate set. 2-car battle, place your bet. Bridge the corner, kiss that wall. Door to door, but we never stall. Tandem train like a pirate set. 2-car battle, place your bet. Side to the left now, bridge. Sideways sound, make the tires sing. London to Tokyo, we let it swing. Late night session, concrete crown. Micro machines, but we run this town. Slide to the left, now hold it. Break these throttle in a constant drift. Slide to the left, now hold it. Break these throttle in a constant drift. So when the baseline drops and the neon gleam, carbon fiber living the sideways stream. From Docklands dark to the rising sun. RC drift life, non-stop run. Raga style with the servo twitch. Fine line tuning, make the back end switch. Feather clutch and a subtle lift. Big bad sound in a 110 drift. Yeah足ドリフト小さな車体大きな魂ブーンスキルミニシャーシュで街を切り裂くアスファルトに描く演芸術指先一つで世界を操るコントローラー握りオンになるルール細かいセッティング競技の領域タイヤの角度1ミリで勝負仲間とサーキット煙の美学ゴムが焼ける匂いそれが合図だ壁切り攻める紙一重の美ミスればクラッシュそれもまた運命ライト光らせ夜でも走る RC の世界じゃサイズは関係ねえ RC ドリフト滑る like a king 小さなボディで夢チェイシン横に流れても前に進むこのラインが俺の美学RC ドリフト煙を上げる静かな戦場心が燃えるミニサイズでもビッグなプライドこの道は譲れないグリップかドリフトいや俺は横直線よりカーブで見せろとこ精密な動き機械と一体バッテリー切れるまで止まらないカスタムパーツ全部こだわり軽量ボディで風を先他とは違うこの走り方ライン取り一つで変わるドラマ静かな音でも心は爆音観客いなくても俺はショーミニカーじゃねえこれは文化 RC ドリフトそれが答えだスキルブーン煙の中に消えるラインまた次のコーナーへYeah. Basement lab vibe, so the smoke in the air. Chassis on the bench, got precision in the stare. From overdose kits to Shibata specs. Carbon decks flex, yeah, we chasing apex. Servo speed tight, don't rush the command. Gyro turn low, so the skill in your hand. Weight bias real, let the brake them recover. Feather that throttle like you talk to a lover. Negative camber slight, don't go too extreme. Toe wide in the front for that entry so clean. Diff a little loose, so we glide, not fight. Shock oil medium, keep the balance just right. We don't just drift, we compose every slide. Micro corrections, let the rhythm decide. From the pit to the line, it's a science and art. RC drift culture, yeah, alive and slow hands win races, yeah, control over flash. Angle with intention, never burn out the stash. Watch your counter steer, let it settle, don't snap. Consistency king, every lap a recap. Ride the outer clip, then transition smooth. Keep the rear planted while you shift the groove. Throttle modulation, don't just pin it and pray. Ease in, ease out, let the chassis convey. Spring rate match, front and rear in sync. If it chatters mid-corner, you went too stiff. Rethink lower CG stance, but don't scrape the line. Fine-tune ride height, every millimeter shine. We don't just drift, we compose every slide. Micro corrections, let the rhythm decide. From the pit to the line, it's a science and art. RC drift culture, yeah, alive and from overdose dreams to Shibata precision. Every setup tweak is a personal vision. Style over speed, let the flow define him. RC drift scripture, fine type rhythm.
Silence louder than motors. Carbon whispers. Bianca bones, filament scripture in the resin. Ghost lines drawn, I was drifting in the lesson. Hiko sand hands, calligraphy in the chassis. Balanced like a prayer, every pivot looking classy. Dark repaint, relic resurrected through the science. Rare mode of gospel talk, speaking defiance. Subtle with the weight, you don't see it, you feel it. If the line ain't divine, then the driver gon' reveal it. Kasugai nights, humid air, neon tears. Tires barely gripping, still we shifting through the gears. Carbon sing low when the angle gets surgical. Movement so quiet, execution is vertical. Chris Dawes not once, that's worth more than applause. Every correction got a cost, every stillness got a cause. I don't chase smoke, I compose with the slide. Ink bleeding through the corners when the rear step wide. Bianca dream, je glisse sans bruit. Hypothèque doctrine, ça parle sans lui. If you know, then you know, we don't say it twice. Every line like a jewel, every motion precise. Bianca dream, drift coated in gold. Hiko sign language never written, just told. Stay ghost in the field, let the silence decide. Only real ones translate how the chassis gon' glide. Conversion kit scripture, limited like relics. 100 souls touch, now they moving like ascetics. Upper deck flex, got the rhythm asymmetric. Every flaw magnified if your touch ain't aesthetic. Aluminum prayers in the bulkhead alignment. Servo flow free like it's seeking enlightenment. Geometry sacred at command in the ether. You can buy all the parts, still get lost in the procedure. I seen kings fold when the surface got cold. Low grip exposed what the brochure never told. No gimmicks, survive on the margin that thin. It's a war with yourself every time you tap in. From Melbourne nights to the castle got floor. Same code, different language that we speaking and talk. Overdose whispers wrap up ghosts in the frame. But the hycotech spine will be carrying the name. No applause, just angle. Hiko sound new, Chris saw. Bianca ain't built, it's understood. Bianca. Bianca. Hey. Good job, Bobby. Yeah. Smooth talk, P-Towel glide. Pulling up clean, got the chassis on the ride. Flight case click, yeah, the tools all neat. 100 RC, we don't miss a beat. From the east to the west, yeah, they fluent proper. Australia wide, real ones, no imposters. Wendy in the corner getting angles just right. Cedric on the tune, got the motor real tight. Carlos with the body paint, grip so sick. Chris on the line, fell the throttle real quick. Car said easy, but he slid too clean. Josh on the tandem, yeah, you know what I mean. Good job, keep it smooth. P-Towel sliding, yeah, we all synced up. Players ball drift, got the whole scene stuck. Yeah, from Melbourne to Sydney, everybody tapped in. RC, drift life, yeah, we really locked in. Yeah, guard with the setup, got the Cambo on point. Steve talk numbers while he roll up a joint. Timmy laugh loud when he linked that train. Kane in the pit, wrench your game insane. Mike said run it, so we doubled that line. Mark stay composed, always drifting on time. West got the style, make it look too easy. Justin with the flick, make the crowd go crazy. Bobby in the back like, watch this entry. Full lock angle, yeah, it's looking real deadly. Whole squad tight, yeah, the vibe unmatched. On the RC night, yeah, we all attached. P-Towel sliding, yeah, we all synced up. Players ball drift, got the whole scene stuck. Yeah. From Melbourne to Sydney, everybody tapped in. RC, drift life, yeah, we really locked in. Yeah, real ones on. Tiny cars, big energy. You feel me? On the RC, plays ball. Good job, baby. Good job, Bobby.
DJ Magic. Yeah. RC drift in the house. Turn it up, turn it up. Bass check, bass check. 1, 2. Sideways, sideways. Many wheels don't play. 808 knock while I slide all day. Drift squad rolling. Yeah, we don't stall. Little cars, big bass. Watch them bounce off the wall.
Pull it to the track with a case in my hand. Carbon fiber chassis, yeah, you know the plan. Dial in the camber, tweak that toe gyro, locked in, I'm ready to go. Throttle control, keep it smooth, don't snap.